Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the last part of this topic, that is known as a pi bonding theory. This theory is given by the scientists Duncanson, Orgel and Chat in 1926. They explained or they emphasize on these ligands, these ligands acts as a pi accepting electrons, or which are acts as a pi acids, such as phosphine, C2H4, Py, okay, then CO, etc. Okay, now let us discuss the formation of the complex by using the pi bonding theory of a square complex. Consider the complex, that is Ma2Bx plus Y. Formation takes place here. This is a square planar complex. Formation of this Ma2By plus X. Here X is also called as a labilizing ligand. And this is also called as a square planar complex. Okay. In order how this conversion takes place, we can explain this with the help of a pi bonding theory. For this, we require the diagrammatic representation here. That is in square planar complex Ma2 Bx plus Y. Y it is called as an entering ligand. Okay. Now what takes place here? How the intermediate step here? See the intermediate step here. That is Ma. Okay. Now here B. Okay. B. Then here X and here entering ligand as a Y. Therefore, this geometry is what? This is the trigonal bipyramid. That is TBP. And is the angle is BMY. This angle is known as a 120 degrees angle. Okay. And this through there is a elimination of what? That is the X minus X. There is formation of this square complex as here shown here, that is Ma2By. This is the square planar complex here. Now see the diagram here, that is these bonds, that is whatever may be this and these bonds, okay, these bonds these are in one plane, okay, and these are in one plane here, okay. Now we have to draw, this is the which axis? That is the Y axis here, okay, and from that this is the Z axis, okay. In order to explain this, we can draw the orbital diagram. This is a square planar complex, okay. This X is also called as a labilizing ligand. Now see here the ligand is what? That is considering the B ligand here. That is in here. These are the empty ligands here. Here, this is the d-pi bonding of which dz, what is this here? That is the dx, then dx square minus y square here orbitals. Okay, now this is the internuclear axis here. Okay, now second diagram is what here? See, the second diagram is here B, along with this, that is there is formation of this this is d pi bonding. Okay, this is a center one is metal ion, this is the B. Okay, here metal acquires its positive charge. Okay, field orbitals of central metal ion. Here these are, that is on these are the empty orbitals of empty pi orbitals of ligand. Okay, now here how the bonding takes place through a pi bonding theory, we can here explain here in this way. Now first of all we have to concentrate on this, that is the on this square planar complex. See here, this M is the central metal ions. Okay, these are the two ligands which are of a same type, but this B ligand is a different and X ligand is also a different. Here the X ligand is which is trans to a labilizing ligand here, that is called as a B ligand. Okay, now what happens here? Here B is acts as a trans-directing ligand in order to replace its transposition of ligands with a entering ligand through a which geometry? That is a trigonal planar geometry. In this trigonal planar geometry, the angle between, that is BMY, that is equal to 120 degrees, and the formation of this square planar complex, that is on this, that is equal to BMY. Here this angle is turns to what here? How many degrees? That is equal to 180 degrees. That is here the angle is increased, that is from 120 degrees to 180 degrees. How it is possible? This phenomenon with A also, that is the leaving of a labile group, that is called as a X here. How this takes place and how the replacement of X taken by this entering group which is trans to a trans-directing group. That is here B is called as a trans-directing group. Directing group here. Now see here, first of all what happens here? That is the empty pi orbitals of a ligand B here. This ligand is called as a B, which is a trans-directing, which accepts the electrons from the central metal ions of the field of d orbitals, that is of dx xy and dxz here, or dxy or dx square minus y square here, along with a p pi d pi bonding here, and thus there is a formation of a strong sigma bond between this ligand B and the central metal ion. Okay, when the empty pi orbitals of the ligand B overlaps with the field orbitals of a central metal ion M, here what happens? Here the formation of bonding between the ligands of empty orbitals of ligands with a field orbitals of a D central metal ion. Thus there is a development of a strong sigma bond. When this sigma bond is what? When dx orbitals are here, field orbitals are taken in part, at that time there is a formation of d pi bonding. When the bonding takes place along this axis, that is of dx square minus y square of a empty p pi orbitals of a ligand, that is known as the B, here the pi bonding of d pi p pi bonding takes place. That is empty pi orbitals of a ligand B overlaps with a field orbital of a centrometal ion M. When there is a formation of a bond here, what takes place? That is, the electrons are attracted towards the nucleus of the attracted towards the zone of a ligand B, which is having the pi electron acceptor ability. Thus, this centrometal ion becomes a positively charged. When centrometal ions becomes a positively charged, at the same time, whatever may be these orbitals which is again linked to which, that is again linked to the bond between which, that is the A, that is this distance becomes a lengthening one. That is, this distance goes on increasing, that is the bond between centrometal ion and the ligand, labile ligand is not A here, that is the X here, goes on decreasing. That is the bond between M and X is here goes on weakening due to the bond formation between the ligand and the centrometal ion. Here, which type of bonding takes place? When these electrons, pi bonding orbitals of electrons overlaps or attracts the positive charge electrons of this centrometal ion, at that time centrometal ion becomes a positively charged. That is, here the back bonding takes place from centrometal ion to ligands, and due to back bonding takes place from centrometal ion to ligand in the formation of d pi bonding or d pi p pi bonding. Here the bond between M and this X goes on weakening. Also, one more criteria is that is the bond between centrometal ion and this labile ligand is weakened by due to the decrease in the energy of the activation. Due to the activation energy decrease. That is, we have seen in previously. What we have seen in previously. See here, I am talking about this kinetics here also. That is, here the energy, here the reaction profile. If we are taking the graph on this, that is from reaction here and somewhat here activation energy, when it is decreased to some extent, at that time whatever may be the gap between reactant to activation energy state, it is decreased. And when this gap is decreased, at that time here there is a chance for weakening of bond between the centrometal ion and the labile group, and thus at the same time entering group, that is called as Y, have the ability to attract or to having the ability to enter this square planar complex by displacing X, and in that position here Y ligand gets attached. Thus, here formation of a square planar complex of a Ma2By. Now already there is formation of this square planar complex. What is the angle of this trigonal bipyramidal geometry here? MBY. Okay, what is the angle here? 120 degrees. And after formation of the square planar complex, what is the angle? That is a 180 degrees. Therefore, the ligands which have the trans ability, which cannot be explained by this, that is the electrostatic polarization theory, they can be explained with the help of this pi bonding theory. Thus, the ligands strikes on this square planar complex and there is formation of Ma2By as the square planar complex through a back bonding of the centrometal ion to the ligand, thus by weakening the bond between M and here X also. M and here X, and thus there is weakening of this bond. At the same time there is formation of the bond between M and the entering ligand. Okay, thus we have explained here the pi bonding theory here. Now what are its limitations? See here. First one is limitations. This theory can't differentiate trans effect and trans influence. And trans influence. Okay. It can't explain the bonding between the ligands such as in alkenes ligands of nitrogen. These are the two limitations for this pi bonding theory. That is, it can't differentiate between trans effect and the trans influence here. It can't explain the bonding between the ligands of the nitrogen, but it is explain about the bonding between alkenes. Here. Okay. Thus we have here concluded this pi electron theory here. Okay. Thank you. Now we have to see here, that is the applications of trans effect. In case of platinum 2 complexes. Okay. Already we have seen how the cis isomer and trans isomers are formed, and that is why it is application of this trans effect in platinum 2 complexes. Here, trans effect is useful in obtaining cis and trans isomers of a platinum 2 in different of isomers. So one by one we will see here. First, it is divided into 3 categories. See here, what are the 3 categories of square planar complex of type? First, PT A2 X2. Second type, platinum AB X2. And third, platinum A, B, C and D here. Okay. Now, what denotes A, B, C and D and X here? Here, number of isomers of same kind are A is equal to 2 here. Number of another isomers X are equal to here 2 here. Here A, B are different one. Here X are of 2.2. Here all the isomer, here not a isomer here, all the ligands, that is A, B, X and D are the different one. So one by one we will see here formation of platinum A2X2 square planar complex. See here, it is obtained from, that is the tetrachloroplatinum 2 complex here. First is synthesis of platinum A2X2 of cis. Okay, we will start from here, from tetrachloroplatinum 2, that is of this. Okay, platinum is present in 2 oxidation state here. Charge is 2 minus here, plus here the striking ligand is what? That is the NH3. What is the reaction? Now, already we have seen the trans directing ligand series, and from these ligands we have seen that the chlorine is more trans directing than the NH3. Therefore, chlorine enters the entering group, which is the transposition, that is this transposition. Here the NH2 group can be replaced here. There is formation of minus Cl minus here. Okay, Cl, PT, platinum, here NH3. Okay, here Cl, here also C. Now again on the reaction of a NH3, here the reaction takes place in such a way that also here one of 3 ligands of this which of same kind, that is a chlorine. Here also again chlorine of this kind here replaces this transposition of chlorine to a entering ligand here, and there is a elimination of a Cl minus. Thus we get the configuration of a square planar complex here as platinum, here NH3, okay, and here NH3. Okay, here a Cl. Okay, now here by attacking of this incoming ligand or a nucleophile, the charge changes to 1 minus. Here charge is equal to 0. And platinum state is a 2 plus. Okay, thus it is a cis form of platinum A2, that is of Cl2 here. X2 means NH3. Okay, thus we have obtained the platinum A2X2 of cis isomer. Now if we have to obtain the trans isomer, what is the difference then? First, we have to attack the more transdirecting ligand as a nucleophile, and we have to take a square planar complex in such a way that it contains a ligand which is having the transdirecting power which is less than that of incoming ligand. See here, what is the formation here takes place here. Now transformation here. Okay, for this purpose we can take here NH3, then also NH3 here, and here also NH3. Okay, this of a 2 minus plus on incoming ligand, that is a nucleophile Cl minus, it can replace the ammonia which is of a transposition of this here. Okay, and here minus NH3 in the same way that previously, that is Cl, platinum, here also NH3, here NH3, okay, and here what, that is the NH3. Okay, there is a 2 step here. Okay, that is a 1 minus. Now again striking on this a ligand Cl minus here, there is removal of NH3 in such a way that we get the trans structure. What is the trans structure of this is, that is, now Cl is again replaced not on this, but it is a replace of these ligands. Okay, then there is formation of this platinum. Okay, NH3. Okay, now here NH3. Okay, and here Cl of a 0. This is a transform of type which, that is platinum A2 and X2 here. Now in the same way we can obtain the another type, that is platinum AbX2. Okay, now here synthesis of platinum AbX2 of cis and trans. One by one we will here giving you, that is the formation of, that is PT AbX2. Okay, now here in AbX2, here ligands are, we are using our ammonia and NO2 minus. Again from starting from tetrachloroplatinum here, platinum Cl, here of Cl, the plus 2 oxidation state of charge 2 minus, plus is attack of this which, that is a ammonia, plus NH3 here, similar way here, one of the ligands is replaced by this NH3 by removing Cl minus ions here, the charge is decreased by 1 here, platinum, here Cl, here NH3, okay, and here Cl. Okay, 1 minus. Now the reaction of this NO2 minus. Okay, now this NO2 minus here, that is in this ligand NO2 have a which effect, that is it is a more transdirecting than this Cl. Therefore it replaces Cl position which is trans to this position of a NO2 group. Thus there is formation of which group here? Here formation of a cis configuration, that is here platinum, here NH3, okay, here NO2, okay, and here Cl. Okay, thus we get which form as a cis form. In a similar way, when we take the first addition of NO2 and then NH3, we have get a which complex of an isomer, that is a trans complex of a isomer. See here the next reaction, that is formation. This is the syn form, and now we are going to discuss the trans form of it here. That is, what is the reaction? First NO2 minus Cl here. Okay, here it is a Cl, this is NO2 here. Okay, 1 minus here. Now again on NH3 here. Okay, minus Cl minus here. Thus we are getting the trans directing group as here, that is the NH3, here platinum. Okay, now NO2. Okay, zero charge here, Cl, and here also a Cl, which is of a which configuration of this type of square planar complex, that is PtAbX2 of a trans configuration. Okay, now the second point is a completed. Now the third category is what? That is the platinum of all the ligands are different one. We have to obtain this complex by using the trans-directing series. Platinum A, B, C and D here. Where A is equal to what? That is Cl. B is equal to what? Br. C is equal to what? We are given here. C is equal to here NH3 and D is equal to what? That is the Py group. Okay. Now first one, which is group according to the trans-directing groups, that is first priority is given to which? That is the NH3. Second priority was, that is the Br, and third priority is what? That for Py. Okay. Now starting from tetrachloro platinum, here Cl, Pt, platinum, Cl, here also Cl, Cl 2 minus plus NH3 minus Cl minus here. There is formation of Cl, platinum, NH3, also here Cl and Cl, plus here addition of a bromine here. Okay, now here minus Cl minus in such a way that there is formation of, that is a Br, platinum, NH3, okay, Cl, and here also Cl. Okay, now then here the addition of which ligand, that is a Py minus Cl minus here, and there is a last group last ligand introduction is here, that is Br, platinum, NH3. Okay, then here Cl, and then there is Py. Okay, this is the square planar complex of a type what? That is the platinum A, B, C and D. All the ligands which are attached to platinum 2 complex in a square planar complex, which are different one. In this way we can obtain number of different isomers of square planar complexes of platinum 2 complex by reacting which ligand will take first position, which ligand gets second position, which ligand gets third position, according to which is whatever may be the trans ligand series I have given to you on this group, that series you have to learn here, and then thus you have to obtain here, that is the synthesis of cis and trans of any of the kinds. Okay, thus here we have concluded this chapter. If you have any difficulty, please ask me on group. Thank you.